Today, I'd like to introduce you to the F connector in the RF coaxial series. The F connector is a commonly used connector. Its docking method is mainly threaded. In general, F connectors are primarily divided into two types, male and female. First of all, let me introduce how to distinguish between male and female. As you can see, the male connector has a pin and thread inside the interface, while the female connector has a hole and thread outside the interface. Next, we can see the structural composition of the F connector, where I will introduce something. F connector consists of a metal housing, center pin, and rubber core. As well as, the metal housing is usually made of nickel-plated copper to provide good electromagnetic shielding performance. The central conductor is made of brass, and it is responsible for signal transmission, while the rubber core is used for insulation and flame retardancy. In addition, F connectors have a variety of termination methods to choose from, such as solder, compression, crimp, bow hole or edge mount. Therefore, you can choose the appropriate termination method according to the actual situation. Besides, F connectors a variety of mounting features, including bulkhead or flanges. Accordingly, these features can meet the needs of different installation environments. Moreover, F connectors are widely used in TV antennas, satellite TV, surveillance video, and TV video systems. Owing to the reliability and stability of the F connector ensure high-quality signal transmission, users can enjoy clearer and more stable image and audio quality. The above are the main features of the F connector. If you want to know more about F connector, please visit metabee.com.